The bottom line. That's what we call a loan translation from Yiddish into English. Die unterste Schure, and Schure is actually a Russian Kodesh word. But unterste, the bottom line, this is an expression that came from originally Torah study. So it's like you get to the end of a Torah passage and now what's the main point? Die unterste Schure, the bottom line. Now how that came into American English was that this was a Yiddish expression meaning like this is what it all boils down to. And then accountants, in adding up all their numbers, would say, well, the grand total is this, die unterste Schure, what it all amounts to. And so Yiddish speakers who became bilingual in English then simply said the bottom line, or the undermost line, literally is what it is. And so then it goes from basically kind of the world of finance, originally from Torah study, basically, to American popular culture, the bottom line, which still has the financial component because everybody talks about, well, the bottom line is this. But it's also become a general expression meaning like what it all boils down to.